Is your iPhone 17 Pro Max camera opening by itself whenever you accidentally tap the camera button on the lock screen or home screen? Don't worry, let me show you how to turn this button off on your iPhone 17 Pro Max with the latest iOS. So here you can see this button is accidentally turned on. So here to turn this off, you have to open up your settings first. Scroll down and go to the camera settings. Now you will find this camera control section. It's right at the top. And then under launch camera, you will see several options. So to disable the lock screen camera button completely, select none. Now first close your settings app, and now from your home screen or lock screen, try several times to tapping the camera button. You will see it doesn't open anymore. This actually prevents the camera from launching by mistake when your phone is in your pocket or bag. Isn't it really helpful? I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.